scrupulous funky. Yo, you don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! What are them? I'm hurrying, guys. Today is which day? August 6th, Independence Day in JA. Right now we are going for a road because we're having this fun day for kids and stuff like that. But me really and truly I go up there. I go buy some food from my grandmother because that food though, food be shutting. I walk up the hill and sing. So I'll get the food and see what going up there and thing. When I reach up there, I'll check back in with you guys. Keep done. A girl ain't on the camera. Guys, I'm heading back down to the house. Heading back down to the house now. Very busy up there because I help with the snow cone machine and the popcorn and stuff. Very busy. I don't have much time for vlog, but damn, I still look cute. You know? But I'm gonna also something and come back up. I don't know if I get to check back in with you guys. If I do not, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show the love. And I'm so happy to see the kids, you know, playing, running up and down, eating them ice cream and a bag of things. Yeah, I'm just happy for them and stuff. Yeah, so later. From me know myself, my house is like locked up and nobody's there. Somebody always there at my house. Always. So I'll go back up the road now. Everybody up there, Punky, Mummy and everybody. And this is gonna be all night. My grandmother's so extra. She wake up and start cook from 4 o'clock. So my grandmother stay queen extra. But I'll go back up now. You guys, I don't know if you guys are gonna see me back. Bye. Yeah, that's just the update. Hi guys. Turn to lights. Hi guys, I'm actually home now. I'm actually home now. I'm editing. Oh, I forgot to show y'all my Skylife cushion. It's so cute. It's custom made. Big up. I can link the Instagram page that you can get it from. I'm gonna link it below. But me come home, it's around 11. That time here right now, something about American time. It's 10:53 right now. It has been a long day. Me come down because I was tired and someone had to be here at the house, so I decided I was gonna come down. But today was such a good day to see the kids out and having fun, and you know, these are the things that I live to see. You know, I really appreciate it that I could experience that. And yeah, today they had bounce about, merry-go-round, they had a big pool, they had the go-kart. You guys know that we have a go-kart here. They had the go-kart, they have music, food run out too much time. I'm have to recook about 4 times. So I'm just really grateful for today. It's a little snippet that I got on the camera, so I'm just gonna put it together and just maybe you guys get 2 uploads. Maybe you see this one first, and so somebody are going chill and a build back and I go and edit. I'll be productive, you know. We are going to edit and stuff. So yeah, so subscribe, share the video on Facebook, I'm gonna depend that, and you know, share with the friends and family, make them subscribe and grow the Skylife family and a bag of things. So I'll see you guys later.